In this video, I want to fix a bug with our rounds. So for example, when I hit play with a server and client, you can see the server is round 0, transitions to round 1, while the client is still at 0. However, if the round ends and we go to round 2, the client will then have theirs updated. So this is very much a similar issue to our points being displayed. So if we head over to our view model zombie game state.h and CPP, well, specifically the CPP, we can see by default we are binding to the game state. So we're firing off, on round changed and all that kind of stuff. And we are just setting round to the new round. So we need to basically what's happening is the round is going from 0 to 1 on the server before the client is able to even do any of these bindings. So this logic here never actually runs. So we need to, alter that just a little bit. So on the game state, we should have something to get the round, which we do. I couldn't remember. So what we're going to do is just simply call on round changed and pass in the game state get round. So once we have that, we can go ahead, recompile, and we should be good to go because it should no longer be, waiting for a change that that has already happened. Instead, we're just going to quote unquote initialize it to the right value. So we're at 0, then 1, and our client now shows 1. And if I make this take even longer, so I'll set the packet lag, wrong key again. There we go. To something like 500, to where it has a very long connect time. Okay, Oreo is being overridden by something else because that was not very long. I'll just do with 3. Yeah, 4. Why not? So with 4 clients, we should have them all have their rounds updated to 1, which we do like so. So that's all I wanted to do there. I just wanted to get that out of the way to where that was working properly as well. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.